Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be walking through how to forward multiple emails at once in Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Gmail and select those emails you want to forward, and after selecting, then click on this three dot icon and click on forward as attachment. And now here you have to put the recipient. So I'm going to giving here example recipient, and now give a subject and simply click on send. So this was how we can forward multiple emails at once in Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.